In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Respondus lockdown browser. So let's get started. Now this is actually quite simple to do. So first of all, you need a 9-digit number which is provided by your institution. So it could be a school or it could be your tutor or literally anyone, okay? Now once you have this 9-digit code, what you have to do is you have to copy this link, okay? Paste it there, and now instead of these X's, which is a 9-digit code, you're just going to type in the 9-digit code here. So let's say mine was 098765443. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 2. Let's say this was my 2-digit code. So once I've typed that in, I just click on enter, and then it should take me to my download link where I can normally download the file, open the file, and then follow the on-screen instructions. And once all is done, I can just go to my launchpad and search up the browser's name here, Respondus, or you can just search up lockdown and it will show up right there. So that's how easy it is to download the browser, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.